how to buy DWB, the DragonWifBeard token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to visit or check their X account, as you can see here, to keep updating or following their updates about their token. Now, this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this token is increased by 100% to 200% in the last 24 hours. Now, the liquidity, as you can see, 99% of liquidity are locked. That's mean your investment in the safe place. And as you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now just copy the token address and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now here enter how much you want to buy of Solana. Now this is how much you will receive of that token, and here select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information before you click on swap. So after you click on swap, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here to be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy the DWB token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.